So this WavyTalk hairdryer, I love using it. I got this to replace this old hairdryer I have. This Conair SuperMax I've used for years. It's no longer in safe using condition, as you can see. So this replaced that. Now, the reasons why I like this WavyTalk hairdryer are many reasons. One of them is all these attachments you can put on this. So you have a diffuser, you have the comb, you have the concentrated blower. It's just a snap-on this end on this WavyTalk dryer. It works really well. The filter on the right is also you can take out to clean it, and it has multiple pretty much uh, temperature options. You can see right here, this is the temperature option. So cool, warm, hot. Then you have the fan options and the button for cooling, as in like cold air. So I like that attachments and the ease of use. And the cool thing is the cord has a Velcro or a hook and loop attachment, so you can easily put away this dryer every time you use it. Whereas something like this, it doesn't come with that. The funny thing is, though, this dryer, this SuperMax Conair dryer that I've used for years, maybe over a decade, it's bigger than this, but it's actually lighter. This is lighter than this dryer. So this is very lightweight, but this is not super heavy, but a lot heavier, and you can tell right this whole section right here, it's more dense. There's some weight to it. That could be a good thing or a bad thing, but I do like the form factor. It's just kind of straightforward, and it's pleasing to look at. But yeah, those are some of the reasons why I like using this a lot. Now, if you want to hear the noise of it, so I have this plugged into the wall. We'll just check it on low fan setting and high fan setting. It's not too bad. You can hear it coils up a lot, but it's worked really well and it's easy to put away. So, those are like the three things I like about this hair dryer: the attachments, the ease of use, and it's just very affordable. So, yeah.